Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by opening both Google Sheets in separate tabs and sign into the same account. Copy the source spreadsheet URL exactly from the browser address bar. In the destination sheet, select a blank cell and type equals import range, source URL, sheet 1, A1, C100. Press enter and then click Allow Access when prompted to grant permission. Wait a few seconds while Google pulls the first 100 rows from the source range. Confirm that the imported columns align correctly with your destination headers. To obtain Azure shards, prioritize high-yield locations and weekly activities. Run the Azure mine, where the shard drop rate averages 25% per run. Complete the daily raid echo of the Rift to earn 3 guaranteed shards per week. Participate in faction challenges to receive bonus shard caches and reputation rewards. If you still need shards, purchase them from the black market vendor at $200 each. Track shard totals and prioritize farming until you reach 12 required shards. For advanced control, open extensions app script in any sheet and create a new script file. Write a function that opens the source by ID and uses getRange, A1, C1000. Get values to retrieve data. Use destination sheet. GetRange 1 values. Length values 0. Length. Set values to paste the array. Add try-catch blocks and use lock service to prevent concurrent runs and errors. Create a time-driven trigger to run every 30 minutes for regular updates. Include clear logging.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.